I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Mexican black bean soup. First, gather your essential ingredients like dried black beans, fresh vegetables, and a selection of aromatic spices. Remember to soak your dried black beans overnight. This step is crucial for a quicker cooking time and a better texture. Prepare your onions, garlic, and bell peppers, and have your vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, and fresh cilantro ready to go. Begin by sautéing your prepared onions, garlic, and bell peppers in a large pot until they are soft and fragrant. Next, add your soaked black beans and vegetable broth to the pot. Stir in diced tomatoes and your preferred Mexican spices, such as cumin and chili powder, to build a rich flavor. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for approximately 1 hour, or until the beans are perfectly tender. Once the beans are tender, carefully transfer about 1/2 of the soup to a blender and puree until smooth, creating a creamy texture. Return the blended portion to the pot, combining it with the remaining whole beans. This technique adds body while keeping some texture. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. For a little extra warmth, you can add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Your delicious Mexican black bean soup is now ready to serve. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish generously with fresh cilantro. Offer a variety of toppings such as a dollop of sour cream, creamy avocado slices, or crumbled cottage cheese. Warm tortillas or crispy tortilla chips make an excellent accompaniment. Any leftover soup can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or frozen for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.